Hello everybody, I'm doing my video, my first DIY in a while, and we got a little special guest, little Jonah. Hello little sucker.
Say hi.
Jonah, say hi to everybody. Say hi to everybody, boy.
You see the light?
Yeah.
He's tired.
Yeah, he's a little sleepy. And my daughter. So anyway, well, we're gonna do a bow mount with the old 997 transducer and also the 997 fish finder on the bow. Should be interesting. Let's find out. Alright, well, this is my first DIY, so this is what we're doing. It's kind of like a Frankenstein thing, but it'll serve its purpose. More about practicality, not a beauty contest. So anyway, look. Got this turtle jack. Somehow, I'm probably gonna have to get rid of this. And this handle. But the swivel has very practical use for it. I just gotta put it all together, have everything I need. So anyway, yeah, we'll see how this comes out. I wonder if I could just take the guts out of here. I think I can. By golly, I bet I can. Anyway, this is me back in the saddle again. Alright, let's go look at the rest of the stuff we have. So anyway everybody, please excuse the mess, but I had some bolt problems and I think I fixed them, and of course working on other things. But okay, this is the rest of my project for the transducer. Alright, so here's my transducer. What we're gonna do is this wire, this pipe or irrigation pipe is gonna go through here and in between the white PVC pipe, so that we have outside. And let's see how we're gonna attach it to this. So this is gonna go in like this. So you feed it through the pipe. So somehow we're gonna attach this. Maybe bring it over here and put one screw in here. Anyway, yeah, it's gonna look just like that. Alright, and then that should be enough to hold it, and that's gonna be inside the white PVC pipe. So we need to adjust this, we'll adjust this by this. So yeah, that's how it's gonna go. And then we just have to wire up everything else. Oh, yeah. Let's see, here it is. This will work. I hope. I don't shave too much off. Then I'll have a problem. Okay, let's see here. What the? Make sure we're not screwing this up. Oh, no, we're not. Still got plenty of room. Ta-da! Perfect. Look at that. Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle. Look at that. Now I can... It's going that way. It's going that way. It's going that way. It's going that way. That way. Cool. Perfect. Alright. They just delivered my new Boya microphone. Lapel mic. We'll see how it handles. Okay? Let's find out. Just hook it up. Testing. Well, let's figure it out. Over here. Cool. Dang it. Okay. I think that's snug. You should check it out. Microphone check. Yeah. Okay. What a mess. Okay, I think I got it now. So. That's how it goes, like this. Well, looks like it's worked out pretty good. I didn't have to cut anything or anything like that. I just disassembled the whole handle and other part of the trailer jack, and look at that. Fits perfectly. That's gonna work great. That's gonna work just fine, I think. Not in the woods yet. Let's see here. This is gonna go like this. Hold on, let me put this on. Okay. Okay, so this is gonna be like this. Okay. That'll work. That'll work for now. Yep. Perfect. And this will come out, go into a unit. And I'll have enough to where it'll swing back and forth whenever I have to move. And it's awesome. I even got my own little separate battery for the 997, which should work just fine. This came out pretty good. This bracket had came with extra holes, so my old RAM mount, the holes, I just had to make the holes a little bit bigger on one side, and I added an extra bolt right here, and wouldn't you know, it holds this and then the other side too perfectly, so it can't come off. All I have to do is just take out my unit, and hell, probably the transducer too. But anyway, this isn't good. Oh, I see why. Because I'm a dummy, that's why. I'm gonna have to secure that a little bit. Anyway, this whole thing, bam, that should be enough down for the transducer to get a good image. And just bam, there you go. Alright, now to wire it all up. Fun. Alright, here we are. Turn this off before I get dinged for playing music that's quote unquote not mine. Alright, anyway, 414. Well, I just want to show y'all my little DIY stuff. The stuff that I've been working on my long downtime. Anyway, I built this thing. This is 3 battery chargers. I cut I think I've explained this before. I did one and then I said, well, might as well do all 3 of them. So the 2 trolling motor batteries shows me exactly what they have and all that, and then I did my accessories battery, and it's just a, you know, like a cheaper alternative to the more expensive batteries, so that's pretty cool. Let's see here, let me just show y'all how I do what I do. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, that looks bad. Yuck. A little sharp. Okay. Plug that. And you plug this one. And then I already have the accessories battery wired up to just plug in. Bam. And then that's not it. This is it. This is my, talk about rigging this. So it's a lot of rigging here. Okay, you turn it on. Boom, green light, green light. Okay, then you want to know the percentage. And dunk, dunk. So then you just wait a little bit. And then we'll tell you one by one. Let's see. Okay. 55%, 62%, and 93%. So, and now they're charging. So, just charge them up and then finish our other project over there. Alright, well, let's check this out. So, this is really coming together like almost too perfectly. I mean, I disassembled this without having to cut anything, and it's perfect. So now this is what I have left. And from the fittings that I picked out and the way this is punched in, it doesn't come down, so that's good. The only thing is I'm still gonna have to connect this to this. I don't know, but I think that's deep enough in the water right there, so that should be perfect. Hi everybody, this is Mexican Harry Carey. Geraldo. Alright, I think the heat's getting to me already. But check this out. Pretty excited about this over here. This, hold on. Oh. Okay, so now what I did, I went ahead and taped this with masking tape just enough to fit snugs, right? Fit snug, just boom, just like that. So this is how this is gonna work. Okay. Ow. Is it recording? Yes, I am. Okay, this is how it's gonna work. Oop. Something happened. So this is how this is gonna work. So this is held in place by this. This isn't, the white part isn't gonna move much. This is just gonna be swiveling back and forth. So got my transducer. Now I have it over here. So we deploy it. You can see fish the front brush piles in the front of the boat. Okay, then we come home and pop it. This, I will make it detachable from this, or I'll just take a screw out or whatever, and the whole thing comes off. Boom, and I just slide this all the way out with the transducer on there, and then take the boob, and all I have to do is just reinsert it back when I want to go fishing again. And I don't leave the transducer out here. Of course, I take my unit. The only thing that stays out here is this and the power wires for the unit, and I take the transducer and the unit inside. So pretty cool. So anyway, I'm just gonna hurry up and try to get this going. So a little speeding up music. god. Oh my god. I could fix that, make this hole longer this way. Ay, ay, ay. Just do you. Bailamos. Let the rhythm take you over, bailamos. Do 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 do. Okay, looks good so far. Anyway guys, let me put it all together and then I'll show you the final product or project. Well guys, I finally finished it. Looks pretty good. Just gotta test it on the water, see how it goes, but here it is. The monstrosity. But I don't give a crap as long as it's functional. So you can see it'll be swiveling right here. I'll be sitting over here. Of course this is going to be facing upward this way. I can even put my shroud on that I made. Yeah, there's my battery for it, and I'll probably put it down here somewhere. Anyways guys, I guess that's it for now. Well, I guess we'll test it on the water and we will see y'all on the water, and I'll show y'all if it works or not. And I'll be honest about it. Alright, thanks a lot guys. Bye.
I think the notice is plain enough. Can you be on time? Can you be on time?